I filled the fountain and switched it on and it didn't work. So I've got to replace the pump. I have to take the whole thing apart and the cable runs under the ground.
So with the fountain in pieces, you can see how it was constructed. So that central tubing runs all the way through to the bottom of the large bowl, which is where the pump sits, and the power to the pump runs through the base and then into the ground and then to the power which it gets from the garage. So what I had to do with my helper was first determine if the power was still running to the base of the fountain. So to do that, I cut the wire to the old pump and then loosely connected the new pump and then turned on the power, and thankfully the pump ran. So then I patched in the new pump, reassembled and cleaned the fountain, and it was ready to go.
Okay, so as you can see, I managed to install the new pump and I have it running. Just need to finish leveling it now, which is always an issue. But yeah, quite a beautiful addition to the garden. I'm glad to have it back. It really is spring.